Package today, Trex Performance mid pipe I got from them. I think it's a Megan Racing or Manzo mid pipe. I needed one for the RX-8, but before I show you, I will give you a quick update on the RX-8. So let me flip this around. All right, so let's see what I got. There's my truck. RX-8's back together. I did get it to turn on. I had to put a fuel pressure regulator, and I actually took out the stock fuel line, the plastic one with the clips. It just wasn't holding pressure for some reason. I'm not sure why. It was terrible. I didn't like it, so I put a braided fuel line. I think that's a lot better. The fuel pressure actually works a lot better now. So sorry, but it's shaking all over the place. Did that, added some aluminum radiator hoses, so that works. Put the intake back on, everything went back. I think I mentioned this before. I had to mess with this actuator in here that holds a that opens up some secondary butterfly, so I got that taken care of, so that's good. The car did turn on. Took a while to turn on. I'm not sure what's going on, so I know the harness has an issue. I ended up getting another harness. I don't even know where it is, but I got another harness from the junkyard that wasn't messed up. For some reason, my cluster keeps turning on and off. And now that the car turns on, fuse blows out. So, big issue. I ended up just getting another harness. So, all this is going to be taken out again. I'm going to end up getting another harness, or putting the other harness that I got. Hopefully that'll fix that issue, eliminate that. If not, then I have to move to the body harness. Right now, the engine harness is a lot easier. So, again, update on this engine. So, this engine had some issues before. I ended up getting the car. The guy said the engine came with the car. Come to find out, this engine came from another car. So this car had an issue, and of course the engine had an issue. The engine had a water jacket. The coolant seals blew on here. So basically it's just like a head gasket on rotary. Tons of rust inside, so I had to clean that out. Street ported Atkins kit. So, and I'll actually put that in the description below so you can check them out and get their kit from them. So, pretty good kit. It came with everything. I ended up buying the bearings, the seals, everything from them. I actually took it to a local speed shop that does rotaries to press the bearings. I don't have the tool for that, so they got that done for me at New Import Speed Shop. So I'll put them there too, so you guys can check them out. But you know, a couple things. So I ended up getting this at the junkyard. The lip down there, car came in and it was crashed, and the lip was already taken out, was inside. So it needs some tabs right here, which I can do. Of course, it's not going to stay blue. Just got it for right now. I don't really want to keep this front end. So after the car's running and driving, little by little, I'm going to lower it, put some wheels on. I'm going to change the front end. I want to put a newer front end on it, so that'll be another video later on. So, but here it is. I got the mid pipe from Trex Performance, Texas Rotary Experts, I think they're called. Not bad. Got some stickers here. Pretty cool. Let's see what we got going on here. The donut. Good, because my other one was steezed onto the stock exhaust, so it's pretty good. It's not bad. I mean, the welds look all right. And I was actually thinking of wrapping it, because the stock insulation under the car looks pretty good. So stock insulation under the car is just gone, so it's just ripping apart. So I was thinking of wrapping it. I have some wrap over here. Oh, here's actually the harness that I got from the junkyard, so not bad. So here's some exhaust wrap, two different ones. I don't know. So this one looks like it tears up a lot easier though. This is not long enough. I don't think I'm going to be able to cover the whole thing. I mean, I don't know. So sucks. It does look nice, but the thing is, I want to keep the heat out of the car just in case. And I mean, you're not going to see it anyway, so I will get that. And then I'll probably do a time lapse on this so you guys don't have to wait forever for me to wrap it. So let me do that next. That didn't take long, but you know, the exhaust is brand new, it slides, and these things just keep coming out of place. This section was kind of hard over here, so, but it's okay. I mean, I just wanted to wrap it. What's funny is that usually turns white anyway, like this, so 2 different companies, but you get the point. I mean, you're not going to see it, but it'll hold some heat in, hopefully. If not, you know, I end up taking it off. I'll put another tab here. I think I have another one I can put here, so when it gets hot, it'll stretch out and get to it, so we'll turn it up. Alright, so it's installed. Let's take a look. And just come to find out, this, let's see if I can show you. Anyway, here's the, I got a full header on here too, so same company I think that sells the mid pipe. So I wrapped the header, mid pipe's wrapped, and got a full exhaust. So, and I just found something. My O2 sensor harness was melted. Look at it. It was melted. So I don't know if that was making my short. I just cut it off and I'll figure it out. Here's the connector. So if let me try to turn the car on and see what happens. All right, let's see if the cluster works. It sure does. Look at that. Son of a bitch. Always something. This is a different cluster. I thought the issue was my cluster had a short. So I ended up getting another cluster from another car. And this is it. Come to find it's not the issue. It was going in and out. So I'll probably put mine back because it says 100,000 miles on it for the car. So $24,000 miles less. Whatever works. So let me try it out. I have to do something. They said there's a trick to do to reset the computer. There it is. Oil pressure. Here's the pump. Do something really quick. See what happens. Oh, there you go, almost there. Almost. She's trying. So, let me see if I can get it started on and I'll record again. Round 2 or 10. I don't know what round it is anymore. Keep trying until she runs. Oh crap! She's a smoker. Oh man. Looks good like that though. I'll take it.